Hello everyone. Today I am here to share with you this unboxing of Valentino Beauty Pure's Pigment collection, and it is the full pigment collection. It has 9 different collections in it in a total of 70 colors, and that are 0.5 ounces containers. So let me make a asterisk here, and in the website it says that they the number 152, it is temporarily out of stock and is not included in this pigment line, but the price has been adjusted to reflect the out of stock color. So just so you know, there is going to be, instead of 70, there's going to be 69 colors here. And then at the end of this video, I am also going to be showing you the macaroon collection, and that is like a pastel collection, but it's a little bit darker than the other pastel, which is the flowers pastel collection, the first one I show you here. Now in this video, I'm going to show you the name of the collection before I start swatching them. You are going to be seeing the powders as I swatch it in a paper towel like I always do. There is going to be a color on the color name on the screen in the number. Now the color number is on the container when you buy the product, but the name is not. So I went into the website and I gathered the names, and so that's what you're seeing on the screen. Now some of my containers are written on, like they have the name written on, like this collection that you're seeing right now. This is the first collection I bought a while ago, and so since I already had that collection, the one that came with this one, I have it somewhere, and then I'm just swatching the ones that I had open already. So that's why that's there. Like I said, this collection is normally 70 colors, and they're 0.5 ounces. The regular price is $699 with 30. They do have right now, as I'm recording this, they have I guess a sale, and it's $104.90 that you're saving, and it would be $594.40. Now they do have quad pay and Zelle, and so you can make payments if you want to buy them and make 4 payments of whatever it is for your entire purchase. So just so you know, they do have, and it's something like Afterpay. There's PayPal for payment thing. So there is a few ways for you to get this collection and not have to pay out of pocket right on the spot. And they just divide it, and you pay, you divide it by 4, and you make a payment every other week. So that's that. I also wanted to let you all know that there is another collection, or not another collection, but they have I believe like another 4 or 5 collections of pigment colors, and I did also get those, and you will be seeing another video of me unboxing it and swatching it, and I already made that video. So I have to just edit it, voice over it, and get it all together for you, and that's coming up soon. Also, I do have more colors from other brands that I am going to be swatching, so stay tuned. I know that swatch videos are the ones that you guys like the most, so I want to keep doing those, but I will also do some of the watch me works and such, because I like those, and other people like them too. They're not as popular, they don't do as well as these, but I want to make a little bit of everything for everyone. So let's say, I think it was last year that I got that Valentino cover collection, and it is, let me see, let me count them for you. It is 18 colors, and they're mostly nude colors, and then there is a few whites in that collection, and I believe there is also a clear powder there. So that collection I got last year, and that's why I didn't get the entire collection this time. I just got the pigment collection because I already had the cover powders. So lately I decided that I was going to try some of them. I'm not a big fan of all of them. Let's say some of them are not great for all skin tones. So I use mine because I find mine is very flattering for all skin tones. But I did find the Bad and Bougie, and it is a very nice color for all skin tones. So I have been using that one, and I am like 2/3 of the way down. So I only have like a third of this powder. So I stopped using it because, of course, I don't know if this is the thing, Valentino does not have that powder specifically in a bigger size. So I only have the one that is like 1.5 ounces or something, maybe 2 ounces at the most. I believe it's 2 ounces, but it may be 1.5. I'm not 100% sure, but I did find a dupe, because I don't know if you've seen any other of my videos, but in one of my videos I said that Valentino's powders remind me a lot of Tone Products. And Tone Products is a brand that I have been using for a long time, and I mainly used that brand before I found iGel Beauty. I have all of their colors, the pigment, like the colors, and then I have most of their cover powders. And they have one that it is so similar. I'm going to go ahead and say it is exactly the same color. And they do have a 3.5 ounce container. So I want to make a video swatching all of the ones that I have from Tones, the cover powders, compared side by side to the ones from Valentino. Now I do know that Valentino came out with like 2 or 3 more cover powders, and I don't have those, but I'm going to go ahead and try the ones that I do have and find a dupe on Tones products. Not because I think they're better or worse or anything like that, but because sometimes we need options, and why not? So that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully you're up for that. I do like Tones a lot. I do use them a lot. I actually, most of my 3D work I do with Tones products powders. So I want to share that with you. Maybe even find some of the colors that are similar from this collection to the colors from Tones products and compare those two. And let me tell you, I really wish I had like an assistant that can do all of this editing stuff for me, all of it, except for the voiceovers, of course, because you need my voice for that. But at least the rest of the stuff, so that I could focus on filming the videos and just voiceovering and getting them out for you guys, would be another thing that they could do. But since I don't have an assistant right now, I'm not even monetized yet to be able to afford one. I am here and I have to do it all. So I don't want to keep promising things, but these are things I want to do. I am a full-time tech. I am a wife and a mother and a nail tech slash psychologist and all of the slashes that we techs have. So yeah. And let me tell you, TikTok, Instagram, all of the social medias, I love that work. I love this work and I wish I had more time for it, but I love to work on clients. So it's kind of a pickle. Anyway, I just want to be able to do all the things, and I only have 24 hours in one day. So I really appreciate that you're here, that you're watching this. I am going to go ahead and say I think Valentino products are very good. I was ready to say, well, maybe they're not as good as people make them seem. But I think sometimes us techs don't take the time to like get to know the products that we're working with, and we decide right then and there when you try it that it's not good. And we think that every form of application is good for every powder or every color or every formula, and I really think that we can make anything work if you take the time to get to know the product that you're working with. I really do believe that. Now, of course, there's powders that do not work well or at all for certain things. For example, 3D work, like you need a very specific consistency for that to look good. And I understand that. But I think we need to get to know our products a little bit better before we just scratch it and say that doesn't work. That's my humble opinion. You know how I feel about Agile Beauty and the products that I have from them. I bought everything I have. I bought, and it's my own opinions, and I do work. I am a brand ambassador, but that doesn't mean anything in that sense that I do get to have my own opinions. And I love their products, and I have heard so many bad reviews from some people that didn't take the time to see the actual product work or learn to work with that product. Anyhow, that's my opinion. I am sorry if that is in disagreement with yours, but we are all entitled to ours. So, just putting my 2 cents out there. I have nothing bad to say about this collection. I really enjoyed all of them. There is some pigments that are harder to work with, which if you can see on that second row, the purple is a little bit harder, but it's workable. Like, it's workable. There is some products that are not, like, you can try and they're not going to work, but I know there's products out there that people just say no, they're not good, and they are good. They're just not working right with them. Anyway, I don't know. I don't have anything else to say. I wanted to get this video out there, get it to the world. I've been recording this voiceover again for a few times. Now, I do have a mic now. I'm hoping. I am not a techie person. God knows I am not. And I'm trying to make this work. But I don't know. This is my 3rd time recording this voiceover. So I am sorry if this doesn't work. But this is the last time. I am not doing this again. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this helps you out to figure out what collection you might want from Valentino. You can see the consistency of the powders. You can see the colors very well on this paper towel. I have nothing bad to say about the brand. It is very good. I think this is a product that you can actually use for 3D work. So maybe that's something that we can also try. Let me know if you have tried their products and what you think. And stay tuned for Not Palette. I'm going to do a collection of their products that I got recently. Some of the sculpture gels from Agile Beauty. I have the entire collection that I can swatch, that I am going to be swatching for you guys. And I have a whole bunch of other videos in line to come out. So thank you so much for taking the time to come back and watch. I really appreciate your time, and I really appreciate that you're here. Thank you for those coming back, always are here. They're leaving me comments down in the comment section. I really appreciate it. I see you. I appreciate you taking your time to do this. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell and come back to see the rest of my videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day and see you next time.